Woo! Your Azure Dragon or your Dragoon in our Backout and Shoot. Wow. A very nice paint job right there. Oh, a decal job or even a sticker job. What is that? But yeah, nice, man. That white one, it's very nice. There's a metal inside. Just inside, no protruding metal. Stickers. I don't know if I will have a battle with this because I think it will break because yeah, the sides are protruding, especially here. But yeah, for the sake of this video, for the unboxing and the spin test and the test battle, I will have a battle with them. And yeah, maybe for the next videos, I will have a battle with each other, that 4 Beyblades that we have here. I will have a battle with them, okay? Woo! Whoa, man. I will scratch them. But yeah, to see the performance for these 2, let's have our stadium, okay? Let's get our stadium first. Let's go! Okay, now we have our stadium. And yeah, even I don't really like